Today I want to show you how to properly set up low mode on a Steadicam. If you've never done this before, it can kind of be confusing at first, but once you understand, it's pretty straightforward. So with that being said, let's get into it. All right, the first thing you're going to need is a low mode bracket. Comes with these pieces right here. It's also called an F bracket. I got mine from cleanscamerasupport.com. I'll have that link down below as well. As you can see here, they offer both a straight version and an angled version. And I actually spoke with the owner and he told me that most of the people are actually buying the angled bracket, which as you can see here, you see how it's angled right there? So the main difference between the angled and the straight bracket is that the angled bracket pushes everything slightly away from the post, which gives you more clearance and more flexibility with your angles. Now, before you buy one of these low mode brackets, you need to know your post diameter. Unfortunately, I bought one of these a long time ago and bought the 3/4 inch diameter, which obviously did not fit my Steadicam. So make sure you check your rig specs or the user manual. As you can see here, for the Steadicam Axis, the post diameter is 1/2 inch. Very important because these things do cost about $250. All right, the first thing you want to do is loosen these two screws right here. You're going to need a hex key for that. Take these out. All right, then you're going to loosen the smaller screws right here. You're going to need a smaller hex key like this. So you just want to make sure that the screw is not sticking out inside this hole. So you kind of want it to be flush. So we'll just loosen those slightly. Perfect. So now you can see there's no screws sticking out in those holes. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is insert this rod into the angled portion right here. So, and you want to make sure you're using the side that has a little bit more space. You don't want to use this end right here. So just like this, you'll slide it in. And then you want to align that hole right here. So you can see not aligned, aligned. And then from there, you want to grab one of those screws that we just took out, put it in there, and then tighten it down. Again, use that hex key to tighten it in. Perfect. And then go ahead and use the smaller hex key to tighten the small one down. Perfect. And there you go. Now that the rod is secured, you're going to insert it into your gimbal handle. Make sure the bracket isn't facing towards the sled. Line up the holes, then insert your pin to lock it in place. From here, put the rig on your balancing pin and balance it like you would normally. Now I have other videos that go in depth on how to balance a Steadicam. You can watch those videos right here. But really all you're doing is balancing it like normal. So there's nothing different between using a low mode bracket and not using one. You're gonna balance it exactly the same. All right, now once everything is balanced, insert your arm into the bracket like you normally would, pick it up, and now all you have to do is flip the sled upside down. All right, so there you have it. That's how you set up low mode on a Steadicam. I hope this video helped you in some kind of way. If you have any questions, please let me know down below. But that's gonna be it for this video. God bless, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.